Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. Today we got WFP back in the building once again with another awesome creation. Now the name of this watch face is called WFP 0167 Luxury version 2. My man, he got down on this watch face. This is one of those watch faces that you need to have in the archives just in case. Now, for the price that my man is charging for this one is a definite download, especially all the features and functions that comes with this watch face. But with that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick off this review. Now in the AOD mode, I really like this look. It has a premium look and feel to it. Now once the watch face is on, it's going to give you everything that you're looking for and need out of a watch face. So if you're looking for something that's super casual, this is the watch face to download. Now I like the Roman numerals that's going around the bezel of the watch, and don't worry, you will be able to customize that. You come down, you will be able to get your heart rate information. It's also going to let you know what zone you're in right up over your heart rate info. You come down to the left, you will get your step info and your step goal completed. Over to the right, you're going to get your battery info. You come down, for those of you all who enjoy the best of both worlds, you are going to get a digital time as well. So you're going to get analog and digital. You will be able to get your date right up under that. And in the same window, you will get your miles walked or ran and also floors climbed. Now the watch face is interactive, so if I tap here on the time, I can go in and set an event if I so choose. If I tap on my heart rate, I can go in and get my heart rate information. Battery, if I want to go into my battery is already shown. If I tap on my steps, I can go in and get calories burned, minutes walked or ran, of course my heart rate, settings, coffee intake, water intake, things of that nature, which isn't bad at all. Now if I tap in the middle, I can go into my recents if I like. So all in all, so far as the interactiveness of the watch face, it gives you everything that you would want to need. Now let's take a look at some of the features and functions out of this watch face. Now if I tap on the menu right there, it's going to let me know everything that I could just about do with this watch face, right? So let's tap out of this and let's check it out. Now if I double tap right here, this here is my night mode. What I like about night mode is that I can customize it. If I double tap again and go in one more time, it'll change the color. Double tap again, it'll change the color. So I thought this was a nice feature so far as night mode is concerned. Now if you want to put it in battery saving mode, right, let me come out of this. I could double tap here and I could put it in battery saving mode, which I like because it has a premium look to it. So I'm going to go out of there. Again, I do like this design right here as well, right? Now I'm going to single tap at the top. You're going to be able to go in and set your favorite, which is pretty cool. I'm going to double tap right here. Now I can customize the theme of the watch face as I see fit. Just keep double tapping until it changes to wherever you want it to be. Not bad, right? Let's tap on the next one. If I tap right here, now I can change it to numbers. Let's cycle through all of them, just to give you an idea of what you're in for when you download this watch face. Not bad. Not bad at all, depending on how you're feeling for that day. Double tap here. I can change the color theme of my time and information to whatever color I would like. Now let's double tap here. Here's where the fun begins, because I could change the whole thing and look at this watch face, which gives you more than just one watch face, right? You can have many so far as the theme in the background is concerned. I'm just going to cycle through most of them to give you an idea as to what you're going to be in for when you download this awesome watch face. I'm liking it. What do you think thus far, people? Not bad, right? Now, if you want to customize the hands, you can. Just double tap right here. For the hour, you double tap right here. Not bad, right? And you could do the second hand as well if you double tap right here. Not bad at all. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Listen, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.